Hey guys, sorry I didn't film last week, that's because it was Father's Day, but I'm filming this week and I'm doing a room tour, so let's just get to it. So this was my bed, it's covered in toys and I like to do this. Yeah, so that's my bed basically. And I have my bedside table. And then there's my wardrobe. So, it's kind of empty now because we got rid of basically all of my clothes. But yeah. And a lot of you have been asking me what my disco dress looks like at the Botanical Gardens. I only showed you a glimpse, but here is my proper disco dress. And then we have matching shoes. Yeah, so that's my wardrobe. And it goes all the way up there. They're really high up, yeah. So anyways, this is my desk. And it's kind of messy because it's a bit messy. Yeah, let's just ignore that. Anyways, I have lots of sweets I haven't even eaten yet. So I've got this cupboard, and that is the whole top model collection. All of the top models. And then my big messy drawer. Okay, anyways, I also have my doll stuff kitchen and the fridge. And then we've got the diner. And I have all my dolls. So there's Ella, there's Mania, and there's Tenny. Then I have my designer friend dolls, which are on the bottom bunk. And then I have the kitchen there. And then I've got the American Girl clothing, and then the designer friend clothing, and then just a bunch of accessories down in this drawer. And then there's even under my bed, which has got my doll tent, and then my Playmobil. Yeah, and then this is where I keep my tablet. The thing that I use the most in my room. Anyways, that's almost the end. We just have like a couple more things to do. I have my Tangshudo certificates. So these are from all my Tangshudo gradings. So I don't even know if these are in order. Are they in order? So this one was my second cup, yeah. And then third. That's sixth. Oh yeah, because it goes second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth, seventh, eighth. Yes, they are in order. Because I'm on my second cup now. And then I have all my belts down here. So it went from white, orange tag, green tag, brown tag, and then my current belt, which is red belt. And then it'd be red tag, blue, black, and then just a billion black done and stuff. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like, comment down below what you think I should do for my next video, and